Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's already Tuesday, September the 1st, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 5 extra Sudokus. But first we will solve this regular Sudoku. Oh, apologies. I've moved the camera. First we will solve this medium Sudoku. And this will be number 141. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, the printed digits. So let me count the numbers. We have here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 3 is equal to 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, plus 2 is 24, plus 3, 24 plus 3 is 27. That means that if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see here 7, no 7 there, the 7 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And then 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. How about the number 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 3, should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. First digit, alright. And now, how about the number in this big square, the number 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There are 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Alright. Then how about the number? 1 number left in this middle row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this last column, 4 in the column and next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about this box in the second row? 1 missing number should be the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column should be the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Then How about these two numbers in this big square? For the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in the first row for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column. The 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 1 number left in the middle column for the number 6. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I will see you soon with the additional with extra Sudokus. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now.